you're prepared to break the silence, I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up.
Hello, welcome back again to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that is optimized to make you become financially free in the forex market. Maybe this is a new thing you have not ever seen in your life. I'm telling you the truth, you should subscribe to this channel because that is the best thing that can happen to your life. Try to turn on the bell notification and try to like and share to your networks so that YouTube will push us to a huge number of audience. Okay, if you have done that, we are good to go here. Today we talk about this topic: don't skip. Easiest way to make money, $11,000 paid 14 days following simple internet strategy. The title of this video is actually designed to attract new people, like people that don't know anything about this internet strategy. The first step is you should create account with this site. This is the link. If you click the link, it will take you to the site. When you come here, you are going to, don't click login because you don't have an account. Come here and click create a demo account. If in the course of creating a demo account you don't know much about how to do that, I will drop a video in the description. When you watch that video, you will learn how to create the account. Maybe you don't know how to do that, but at least you can put your Gmail or Yahoo Mail here. Any of the email address can work, and click I agree and then click create demo account. I'm not going to go into those ones because I'm dropping a video link to teach you how to do that. So when you have created an account with this website, the next thing you need to do is to come here and click on this link. Join our Telegram channel. Click on this link. Once you join our Telegram channel, you are going to shout the admin at this link. Make sure you shout admin at this link. You will be guided on how to earn $11,000 plus in 14 days once you have done that. So that is very simple. There is no
You've got it if you're prepared.